Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Williams. I'm the instructional technologist for the MESA CTL, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the Getting Started module that is new for spring 2019. If you haven't already noticed, you may have this in your course, and it is a great new addition to everyone's Canvas shell. A couple of things I want to point out is that the Getting Started module is going to be wonderful for getting students oriented to learning in Canvas as well as face-to-face courses. There are a few pieces that you'll want to pay attention to as far as changes to your course. One is that if your homepage wasn't already set for modules, it has been changed to modules. You can change your homepage by going to choose homepage over on the right-hand side. Another thing to notice is that your navigation options may have changed. This was part of the blueprint import for the Getting Started module. So you can change your navigation by going over to Settings at the bottom on the left-hand side. Another thing to notice is if you were already ahead of schedule and had been using the Getting Started module in previous courses, you will have duplicate Getting Started modules in your course. I encourage you to still look through this import of the Getting Started module and make selections or verbiage additions from the imported Getting Started module and see if there's any additions that you want to include into your Getting Started module. So moving on, the Getting Started module is highly customizable. It's not something that we just imported and you cannot change at all. We welcome all of the changes that you make and customizations for your course. So by clicking on each of the items in the Getting Started module, you'll notice that there's things highlighted in yellow. These are to draw your attention to the customizations. So things like the course title, name, phone numbers, email, location, these are just the basic things to change. You'll start noticing things about instructional strategies and course design and best practices the further along you get. So as you scroll through, you'll even see netiquette. So you have some kind of boilerplate information that we give you examples of to get you started. So if we go back out into the module, you'll also notice that there are two things that are unpublished. The syllabus quiz and acknowledgement and introduce yourself discussion were left unpublished as to not affect your grade book because they are assignments that are worth points. So we encourage you to leave them in and publish them once you modify them. They're great ways to set the pace for the course, especially if it's an online or hybrid course, because it gets students involved right away, as well as making them aware of the syllabus and what's involved in the syllabus for your course. The Introduce Yourself discussion is a great way to get student-to-student interaction and get students involved with setting a good environment for your online course or your hybrid course right away. So if we click on the syllabus quiz and acknowledgement, you'll see right away that there is already some information that needs to be modified, as well as with the preview. The acknowledgement from the paper syllabus has already been filled in for you as the first question, and then you'll just need to go back in and add additional questions based on your course syllabus and information that you want students to really be aware of. So additionally, we encourage you to add in things to the Getting Started module. If there's publisher resources, a really important website resource, instructional technologies that you've added to your course, a textbook, purchase information, or anything that you feel is extremely important that you want to draw their attention to, add a content page, or even an additional assignment that you want them to complete right away. Add that to the Getting Started module as well to customize it for your course. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the CTL and we will help you work through these changes to your course. Thank you.